When you cloned the project on GitHub, you got an empty Rails project that came with pre-written tests for testing your application. This is useful as you go through the tutorial for testing out the code that you wrote. To run the test, you just enter rake test and press enter. Now, since we didn't actually do any other coding yet, these tests, none of them are going to pass, but we'll be able to see the first error, what it is, and then we'll be able to work on fixing it. So it showed up, and it says test number 1, product created with name and price, and an E for error. So that means that it was not able to create a product with name and price. So that's actually because we didn't do any of the tutorial yet. After creating the product model and running rakedb migrate, we can now try running the test again. This time we can see that the first test, product created with name and price, passed. And the next test is where there's an error, product can belong to category. So as we go on in the tutorial, we're going to be able to pass that test and continue passing the tests until we finish the tutorials and all the tests pass.